What's up there, YouTube? It's Calm Limited 2 here. Gonna do an unboxing or an unpacking of my new Dynam E-Razor 450 helicopter. Got a set of extra blades. I know I'm gonna need those. Some training gear. My handy dandy X-Acto knife. And of course I also picked up some little spare parts. And in this other box is the simulator. So, without further ado, go ahead and get this guy opened up here. The way this thing was packaged, it was a box with two boxes in it, with this box that has another box in it. So there's my 15th box. Here's the actual E-Razor. Now this is the carbon model, but it does not say that on the box. I can see that now. So let's get this bad boy opened up for us. I am doing it upside down. I'll aim it towards you guys. Right on the top here, a transmitter and helicopter instruction manuals. Share the moment with me. Here you are. You can see it's the nice carbon fiber model. It's pretty good. It looks like this gyro is a little loose there. You see? The gyro is a little bit loose. Well, the wiring seems to be pretty decent. The carbon fiber looks fantastic. It really does. And of course the little blade thingy isn't on. These guys aren't sitting in their proper spot. Could be a number of reasons for that though. Some stickers come with it. I don't know why they give you carbon fiber stickers on a carbon fiber model. That doesn't make much sense. But there you go. It's got the green nose to signify the carbon. So that's pretty much that. Take this guy out of the box for you. Tossed in there, huh? Yeah, got the GY48V gyro on there. That, I don't care how you slice it, that thing is not sitting straight. This tail servo looks like it may be off, not 100%. It looks kind of good though, but the gyro here is definitely off. Everything else looks pretty good. Got some foam stuff on there from the factory or whatever. Definitely gonna have to run through the little setup on this guy. Make sure everything is good to go. All the links look like they're in place. Nothing looks broken or rusty or anything like that. Everything looks pretty good. Got some hacking stuff all over. The tail stabilizer is a lot smaller than it looked in the picture. That's for sure. I can give you a closer look at what you guys would like. That's how they mounted the gyro. I don't know if they want it to be like that or if that thing is just way off, but that's what it is. There's the standard 2.4 gigahertz transmitter. Of course, it comes with the battery, charger, and the cables and all that fun stuff for it. See, there's your balance charger for it, with of course the plugs. I just got it all out of the box. And the good old battery. The one thing I noticed is this gyro here is way off. You can see that that should be looking pretty right there. That is horrible. I'll show you from the top here. And you can see how far off that is. It's crazy. I don't know why they would let that leave the dang place looking like that. Otherwise, everything looks tip-top from first inspection. Of course, I'm a noob to this, so but it is definitely going to be a fun trip. This thing looks pretty cool. So I'm gonna have me a good time. Knock out this little maiden hover Got little training wheels put on there. See what's up. If you ask me, something seems wrong. I keep having to lead it with the rudder, and it keeps going over the place. Could be the way I set up the training wheels. 'Cause, I mean, I can't seem to get the helicopter to be level with the training wheels on. So I'm trying to work that out.